15 million Kenyans have access to the Hustler Fund. 7 million of them repeated customers because of the digital space and because of digital devices. Number 3, we supplied our fertilizer using an e-forger. Many people did not believe that this was doable. We had problems with brokers and middlemen and crooks that stole our fertilizer. But because of technology, this year, we didn't have a single loss to our farmers. Our farmers had access to their fertilizer, and we intend to buy their produce again using a digital platform. We are slowly but surely transforming our agricultural sector using technology. As I talk to you, number 4,